So it's been a while since like a hotel room has left me speechless. Like, you know, I travel a lot, but like I am actually speechless. So a room tour for the JW Marriott Spa and Resort Venice. As you come in, here's your closet. You have the toilet. They have a bunch of robes everywhere, which is nice. It's actually a really big shower. And then this is the bathroom area. I'm waiting for them to drop off my bags because then I have to get to work. Then you come in here. Here's the bedroom. There's like a sitting area right here. And then this is the bed. It's like so nice. And then get this, guys. Get this. A private balcony. Like, what? Like, who am I? Like, who gets to stay here? I can't believe, like, this is like so nice. And I can see Venice from here. I can see the water. Like, it is just so nice. I need to drop off my bags because I need to put some makeup on before I go into meetings looking like I just woke up. There's a mirror right here. Like, guys, I'm in shock. Like, I was not expecting this. Like, have you guys ever been through a season in your life where it's just like, it feels like everything is uphill and you're just working hard and everything feels like a struggle? That has been my life for the past like 2 months. And oh my gosh, it just feels like, you know, wow, I cannot believe I get to stay here. This is so nice. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be working like the whole time I'm in Venice, so hopefully I'll be able to show you guys a little bit of Venice if I get there. Buongiorno. I can't even say it right, like the Italian way, but look at this. I just finished work and now I'm walking around the beautiful gardens on this fabulous private island. It's just like so beautiful. I'm ready for vacation. I leave in the morning for Hong Kong. I'm so excited. So I fly back to Paris tonight. I'm in Italy right now, and then I fly to Hong Kong in the morning. I cannot wait. This place is so beautiful. Just like, if you ever wanted to go somewhere and just like really catch a vibe, have good food, go to Italy, man. It is like everything you've ever wanted and more. So yeah, just walking the grounds right now. I have a private water boat taking me to the airport. It's so cool. Like, literally you step off your plane at the airport and they literally take you to a little dock and you get right on a boat from the airport to the hotel. It's just like really cool. Yeah, you definitely more than 2 days though. I mean, I was only here for like a minute. So